Hey guys, Pallav with you from Affiliate Success Hub, and in this particular video I'm going to show to you how to legally steal my 10k per month affiliate funnel. Not only that, I am also going to show to you that how step by step you can implement my affiliate funnel, which is making me over $10,000 per month consistently, how you can pick that up and deploy in your business. So stay tuned and let's enjoy the video. Alright, so this funnel is basically helping me to make over $10,000 per month consistently as a pure affiliate commissions, promoting other people's product along with solo ads traffic. Now, if you need more knowledge about solo ads traffic, from where to purchase solo ads traffic from, I have a video in the iCard and you can get access to that and get more knowledge. Plus, this particular funnel can be used for any other affiliate product you're promoting currently with a bit of tweak, which I'm also going to show to you. And most importantly, I'm going to give you the free access of my 10k per month affiliate funnel, and also going to showcase to you the logic behind this funnel and why this funnel is doing so good. So let's get started. Now, this is the exact funnel which I'm talking to you about. The pre-headline of the funnel says using nothing but an internet connection, and the headline of the capture page where you get the traffic to once you're ordering solo ads, it says live video how I am secretly making $789.80 in 19 minutes with free buyer traffic formula, and then it asks for the email address, and that's it. Very simple capture page. Now I'm going to show to you the exact offer I am promoting with this. Now if you go to Warrior Plus, you can go to affiliate and offers, and if you type over here commission hotshot, you'll see this is the exact offer which I am actually promoting here. Let me show it to you the sales page as well. So this is the sales page, and if you click over here, this particular sales page and the headline is absolutely congruent with the capture page. It says that free buyer traffic formula I used to make $789.80 in 19 minutes. This is actually one of my own products which I launched some time back along with my business partner, and this product is doing so well that we are building our email lists with solo ads traffic with this particular product. So all you need to do is, first of all, go to Warrior Plus and go to this commission hotshot and get your link. So once you apply for your link, you'll be getting it approved within 1 or 2 days. So once you get that, then all you need to do, I'm going to put a link below this video wherein it's called a share link. If you have a ClickFunnels, you can automatically upload this into your funnel builder. You can deploy them. If you do not have a ClickFunnels account, you can get a 14-day free trial. So just get that and add the funnel, so the funnel will be automatically deployed like this inside your funnel builder. Then all you need to do is go to settings and go to integrations, and you need to put your whatever autoresponder you are doing, like Aweber, whatever it is. If you have any problems in the setup, if you're a complete newbie, don't worry. All you need to do is chat with the support of ClickFunnels and they'll help you out, or you can watch some free videos in YouTube that how to connect whatever autoresponder you have with ClickFunnels. It should be a very simple process. Once you're done, you have the entire funnel readily built for you, set up ready, and this is going to be starting to generate sales and commissions for you. All right, nothing else is needed. Also, I have over here, if you look at this, let me just reload this page, and if you just try to close, we have an exit pop-up. You'll be getting entire funnel for free, and this funnel has been instrumental for me to start building the business. So once you have the funnel ready with your offer, you need to come over here and just put your link in the set action. You need to just put your link instead of my link. You need to put your link so the commission goes to you. So two things you need to do. First of all, just connect with your autoresponder, whatever you're using, and change this affiliate link, which is my link, to your link, which you're going to get from Warrior Plus after you apply. So once you do that, just through two-step process, the entire funnel is ready, and then all you need to do is start ordering some solo ads traffic from different sources, which I have shown it to you before and I'll be showing you in the future, and boom, you have legally stolen my funnel, which is making me over $10,000 per month in affiliate commissions, plus building you an email list for passive income. Not only that, if you are promoting any other products, or it can be any self-funded products or your own product or any other products from ClickBank, Warrior Plus or Zenvizu, then you can simply tweak this particular part without changing the entire mixture, because I have diligently tested these funnels with over 10,000 clicks. I have tested the pre-headlines, I have tested the headlines, I have tested the buttons, I have tested this part. Every color I have tried with green and blue and different combination, and this is the perfect way it's working as of today while I'm recording the video. So don't change anything, just change wherever it requires to change. For example, the amount can change over here, some of the text can change, and the similar funnel you can use to promote any other kind of affiliate product, and then generate tons of leads from there and commissions from that funnel. I hope that you have absolutely loved the content where I'm giving you legal rights to legally steal my 10k per month affiliate funnel. So if you have liked this particular content, the funnel link is just the share link I have put below the video. Feel free to grab it. And if you love the content and this kind of videos, the power videos coming your way, do give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, it's directly sent to your email inbox, and you can skyrocket your affiliate marketing business in no time and become a pro marketer. Having said that, in the next video, I'm going to share with you how to build a done for you business with solo ads traffic starting today. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.